Today, I will demonstrate how to perform credit sales in EzyRetail POS linked with AutoCount, and how to use the customer's sales return and payment to knock off the invoice. First, let's take a look at Link Tools. It has two modes: live mode and offline mode. In live mode, you can create items and customers directly in the app, and they'll sync instantly with AutoCount. But if there's no Wi-Fi, or the connection to Link Tools is lost, you won't be able to open a sales invoice. That's where the offline saving option comes in. It allows you to still open a sales invoice even when live mode is disconnected. In offline mode, you can't create customer and item. The invoice document number follows the AutoCount format and must be uploaded manually from the app. The good part is, you can still issue invoices even without internet. So that's the difference between live mode and offline mode. Next, let's do a credit sale. First, we need to create a customer. There are two ways to do this. The first way is in EzyRetail POS. From the main screen, scroll down to Customer. Then tap Create Customer. Now move to AutoCount and check for the customer we just created. Click AR. Open Data Maintenance. The customer we just created in the app is synced in real time to AutoCount. For the upcoming demo, we need to create an item first. Scroll down to Stock Item. Add Item. Now back to AutoCount again. Let's check the item we just created. Click Stock. Open Stock Item Maintenance. The item has also been recorded in real time. After Create Item, I will show how to make credit sales. Go to Sales screen. Change to Sales Invoice. Select the customer we just created. Select Item. Check out. Confirm payment. Making one more sales return will give us a better example for the knockoff demo later. Go to Sales Return. Create new sales return. Select Customer. Select Return Item. Next, go to Customer Payment and add Customer Payment. New Payment. Select Customer. Select Payment Method and Amount. Now I will show how to do knockoff in AutoCount by using Sales Return Note and Customer Payment. Open Credit Note Entry. The sales return we just made is shown in the first row. Open it and click Edit to tick the invoice for knockoff. Then click Save to finish the knockoff with the sales return. Open it again and you can see that the invoice has already been knocked off. After that, open Receive Payment to continue knocking off the remaining amount. Open the payment we just add. Same, click Edit and tick the invoice to knock off. Click Save. That's the entire process of using sales return and customer payment to settle the amount. In this part, I will change my app to offline mode to show the difference between online and offline document numbers. Now I will just repeat all the steps, but this time in offline mode. Because it is in offline mode, we need to go to Data Management and upload the data manually. Let's open Sales Invoice and Receive Payment to check the document number. After uploading, the document number is now in the offline document number format. So that's all for the demo and explanation of online and offline mode. Thanks for watching.